AI is transforming the workplace, but there's one skill it cannot replace, and that is emotional intelligence. And according to reports from McKinsey, within the next 5 years, the demand for EI-driven skills is projected to continue to rise. As automation takes over routine tasks, the leaders who thrive won't just be tech-savvy, they'll also be masters of human connection. Skills such as active listening, empathy, and cultural adaptability will set the best apart from the rest. Because the smartest leaders don't see AI as a replacement for EI, they use both. As we know, AI provides data and efficiency, but it's emotional intelligence that builds trust, engagement, and collaboration in diverse teams. And it's going to be the leaders who embrace this shift, helping them to create high-performing cross-cultural teams that stay ahead in the future of work. Are you preparing your team for this change? If you've enjoyed this video, remember to hit like, subscribe, and join my next masterclass to master AI and EI together using the link below.